In this lesson, we will discuss about concatenation. First, concatenation. What does concatenation means? Concatenation means the process of adding one type of data to the another one. So here I'm going to show you three ways to concatenate data in Python. The first one is using the plus sign. The second one is you're going to use plus sign, and the second one is using a comma, and the third one is using f string. So let's begin by using plus sign. So let's say we have the variable x and just throw number 10, and we have a variable like drink. Yeah, let's say drink, and we're gonna have water there here. So let's say number equals 19.9, and let's say result equals true. Okay, now we have these four variables, and we're gonna concatenate, or we're gonna see the concept of concatenation in Python by using these four variables. Let's concatenate by using plus sign. Let's print I. Let's print I drink plus, I'm gonna type drink. So if I run this, we will have, let's say, plus again, I drink water, full stop. So let's run this, and let us see the result. Let's see the result. So where is the result? I drink, you have space, I drink water. So here we concatenate these two strings. The first string is I drink, and the second string was the value water, which is stored under drink, under the variable drink, and the third string was the full stop or the period. So we can concatenate strings using the plus sign. So let's see something right here, and if I drink like let's say x and caps of say t, maybe too much, but just for the purpose of example, this someone drink. So if I run this, you will have error. Here's the rule, because you can only concatenate string, not integer to string. So to concatenate a string with integer, with int function, you can use the second method of concatenation, that is comma, and here also you can use comma. So if I run this, we will not have any kind of problem. So you can see from this, you can understand that comma is the most powerful concatenation method, or concatenation tool. And the third way of concatenation is using f string. That's simply, you'll begin by typing f, then you have this comma, condition, and inside you can see I drink, then you have this curly brackets, x caps of t. You will use f string for the purpose of concatenation. So let's run this and see the result. Here we go. I drink 10 cups of tea. So you can use f string to concatenate any kind of data types. F string is the most powerful, like comma. So you can use F string and comma to concatenate any kind of data in Python with like higher performance. Is you can use again curly brackets. If you want to add a boolean variable too, you can use F string. So I'm gonna say result. Here we go. So if I run this, I will have the result. I drink 10 cup of tea and it's true. So it's not about the structure. If I want to concatenate boolean variables, in our case the true, if I want to add this result value, so let me say print again F string, like you're gonna type F then quotation mark, either it can be single or double quotation. Let's write instruction. Select the, you're gonna use curly brackets and you type result, select the true, okay, then you can say value. So if I run this, I will have the result. Select the true value. So this is how you can concatenate or how you can insert boolean variable inside or at the middle or at the end of the string. So you can use this concatenation methods. You can use comma, you can use plus sign, and you can use F string. Okay, the third example, let's say print, I'm gonna erase this one. Let's say print I got, and if you want to use plus sign, if you want to concatenate number with string, you can use plus sign, but you must use, as I told you in previous video, string function. Then I'm gonna use, let's see, number, then plus or out of 25. So if I run this, I got, let me have space right here. Yeah, okay. Okay, I got 19.9 out of 25. So this is how you can concatenate number with or in function with string. You can use plus sign. You can use plus sign to concatenate number with string, or you can simply use a comma without using any kind of string function. So I can use here a comma, then I'm gonna type number, again comma, then string. So both method can work. There we go. I get the same result. So you can concatenate using plus sign, using comma, or using F string. All of these methods are possible for concatenation in Python. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, and write your comment below. And share the video.